All right, guys. Today I'm doing stuff with Dylan. We got a Ford F-150. The heater is stuck on vent. So I'm gonna show you what it takes to fix it. It's a short video, pretty easy. So watch to the end to see how I get it handled. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's get straight to it. All right, guys, today we got this F-150. It's a 2016. The heat will not switch off of the vent. The blower is stuck on the vent. It won't switch modes. So I'm gonna put a mode door actuator in it today and see if that fixes it. Show you what it takes to fix it. Let's get straight to it. I got this mode door actuator out. There's a screw here in the bottom and a screw up here. I'll show you what it looks like installed. But they were pretty easy to get to. They were T20 screws. Here's where the mode actuator is on this 2016 F-150. I just put one screw, that easy to get to bottom screw in, and then I tested it to make sure it was working before I went and put the hard screw in. But now when I push buttons up here, you can see that gear move like it's supposed to. It wouldn't do that before. So it kind of calibrates itself as far as I can tell, but there is kind of a locating spot in there. Now you can see the gear moving like it's supposed to. And there's another screw right up there on the top. They're both T20s. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. Got this truck up and going. Thanks for watching. Got the top bolt tight, guys. All fixed up. Thanks for watching. Got more videos on this F-150. All right, got the F-150 fixed up. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. I'm gonna stick a couple videos up over there. If you check them out, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to support my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's keep it moving. Straight to the next one.